If you have 1 hour to spare a day, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with AliExpress affiliate program. And for those who don't know, the AliExpress affiliate program is an extension of aliexpress.com, which is an e-commerce website where people simply go over to purchase products like amazon.com. And also, AliExpress is also popularly known for drop shipping. And what this means is people simply come over to AliExpress to look for a suitable product. So I'm going to take this product here as an example. And as you can see, this product here costs $41. So these people come over to AliExpress to purchase this product and then go over to Amazon and sell this same product for twice or 3 times the price. As you can see here, this product is going for as high as $200. And you can see the cheapest here is $99. And this is also known as Amazon FBA. And I don't recommend this system for beginners because it's time consuming. It also requires a lot of experience. And also you have to deal with shipping and handling of the product. And not to mention, you also have to deal with customer support as well. And this is what literally makes the AliExpress affiliate program the most suitable option for beginners. And that means you don't even need to create a website. All you simply need to do is to promote the product, make a sale, and you get a percentage of the sale, which is also known as commission. And for every product you sell on AliExpress, you can get up to 9% of the commission depending on the category of the product. So to get started, all you simply have to do is to head over to aliexpress.com and you want to simply scroll to the very bottom of the page where you are going to find this affiliate program. Then you want to click on it. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to the AliExpress affiliate website page where you can simply come over and sign up for an account, and you can come over here and click on the start earning button. But before you do that, as you can see here, there are over 150 million products you can choose from and promote to make money on AliExpress. And also you can see you can get paid up to 9% commission for every sale you make. And now you can see it's also available in most countries. And the way you make money on AliExpress is very simple. If you scroll down here, there are simply 4 ways to make money from this platform. All you simply need to do is pick a product from the website. Then you want to create your affiliate link. Once you grab your affiliate link, you can then promote this product on various platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, you name it. And then once you start getting people to click on your affiliate link and they start purchasing the product, you're going to get your commission. It's that simple. So now that we know how the affiliate program works, you want to then simply click on the start earning button. So once you do that, it's then going to bring you to this page where you can create your affiliate account using either Google, Facebook, or Twitter, or you can simply type in your email address in this box. So once your account is created, your dashboard should look like this. And this is where you're going to see the various stats of your account. So I'm going to basically show you how you can start using AliExpress to make money online. So the next thing you want to do is to look for a suitable product to promote from AliExpress website. All right, so if you go over to aliexpress.com, you are going to see a lot of products and you can basically go through this product. And as you can see here, this is another product which sells for $23. And as you can see, this product has free shipping. So if I click on the product, as you can see, this product costs $23. So once you click on any of the products, you want to make sure the product meets certain criteria. And the first criteria you want to look out for is that you want a product that is under 5,000 sales. As you can see, this one here has sold 500 units to people on AliExpress. Okay, and also the next thing you want to look out for is the review of the product. And finally, the last thing you want to look out for is if the product has a video. Just like this one right here, as you can see, this is a video showing people exactly what they are going to get when they purchase this product. And now you might ask, what if I find a product that is under 5,000 sales and it has over 4-star ratings? You can basically reach out to the supplier or the vendor of this product. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page until you see where it's going to say message right here. And this is where you can directly reach out to the vendor of this product and let them know you are an affiliate marketer and you would love to promote their product, as this is going to be a win-win situation for both you and the vendor. They are going to get a lot of orders and you are also going to get your commission as well. 9 out of 10, they are going to send you a video of the product. And if for some reason they didn't send you a video of the product, you can simply go ahead and purchase the product. That means you'll be able to make a video for that product yourself. The next thing you want to then do, once you find a product, you want to simply get the affiliate link of the product by clicking and copying the link of that product. And so you know you are going to also see the percentage of the sale you are going to get. As you can see, this one here is going to give you 7% of the sale. So once you grab the link to the product, so the next thing you want to simply do is to come back to your account and you want to go over to tools and you want to scroll down to where it says link generator. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page and this is where you want to paste in that product link and you want to click on get tracking link. So once you click on this, as you can see, you are going to get a shortened and a cleaner link you can use to promote this product. Okay, so you want to make sure to copy your affiliate link and that takes us to the next step where we are going to simply start promoting this product. So we already know this is a bone straight wig product and one of the best places we can get a lot of female audience to promote this product is Pinterest. So you want to simply create a Pinterest account. It's absolutely free and I believe anyone can create a Pinterest account. So once you create an account, you want to simply look at what other people are doing on Pinterest and you want to replicate the same thing. So if I come over to the search section and I type in keyword like bone straight wig, it's going to show me a lot of results right here. So I'm going to click on one of the ones that are ranking on the top of the search result right here. So if I take this pin as an example, you can see this is just a simple image of the product. And as you can see, this product costs $98. And as you can see, the person also included their link, which is then going to take people to the affiliate website. So now if I go over to the profile of this person, as you can see, this is an account with less than 20 followers. As you can see right here, and you can see this is their website here where they are selling this product. And like I mentioned earlier, you don't even have to create a website. You can just shorten your affiliate link using any URL shortener of your choice like Bitly or Tiny URL. People are going to start clicking on your affiliate link, which is then going to take them to the product page. And as you can see, even though this account is relatively under 20 followers, it gets 23,000 views every single month. And as you can see, they have posted a lot of products on their page. And I can assure you, if they are not making any money, they wouldn't continue posting so many products on their page. So you want to simply repeat this same process by coming over to the Aliexpress website and look for suitable products and you can start promoting this product to people and start making money.